So I'm just walking around the edge here on the sandier part. It does get quite muddy further down. We'll stay around the edge and go down as far as we can. It makes some more variation as well for us on our dog walks. I've seen 4 cormorants recently here. I think they've moved on. I've not seen them for a few days. There's that fantastic mist over this part of the reservoir now. Mabel's a Vizsla, Hungarian Vizsla crossed with a German Weimaraner, and they've got very many traits within them. Hunting, they've got bloodhound in them, English pointer, I'm sure there's some Springer Spaniel, English Springer Spaniel within the Weimaraner breed, and the Vizslas are a hunting breed. So they will stalk, they'll point, they'll sniff out with having the bloodhound in the breed. Got a fantastic nose on them. So for those of you quite new to my videos, this is Rooting for the Planet. The clue is in the name. I'm an environmental studies student with the Open University here in England, and as well as doing dog walking videos and lots of walking videos, I tend to document the local wildlife, the local woodland, talk about environmental issues most days, download them when I can. I've got some lovely followers, subscribers around the world, so please like, subscribe and share if you feel inclined, and even if you don't, take a little bit of information from my videos if it's helpful. Laugh at me if you think it's not. I don't really care. And and we'll keep rooting for the planet, because I'm afraid it isn't a finite resource. And for people that think it is and think it will be there forever, are sorely mistaken. Remember, our species is just one of many.